hope you're enjoying this fantastic show that Times Square puts on every year. These people have come from all over the country to be part of it. You can see that big ball up there in a couple of minutes now. And it's getting down to time now. So get your watches out, clocks out, and I hope you start this year off right. I want all of you to live a better year this year. What a night. It's about 60 degrees here in New York. There's some fireworks going up. Kids are riding up and down with balloons. There's old ladies and old men and young kids and boys. The balloons are flying. There's no generation gap when that big new year. You know, you can't tell whether the people are cheering the old year going out or the new year coming in. And in just a few moments now, a little over about 50 seconds, that ball is going to drop. You have one more minute, friends, in this old year of 1972. I mean, have you dug it? Has it been a good year? You going to have a better year in 73? Well, who knows? But right now, we're having a big party here. Oh, listen to that crowd. It's a fantastic. Come on, let's hear it, gang! Woo! Let's go yell. You don't mind if I blow my own horn here, folks, do you? Coast to coast. You have just 30 seconds, plus 15, maybe about 30 seconds left of the